Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit slow motion video in CapCut. Editing a slow motion video in CapCut is simple and effective for adding a dramatic effect to your videos. Here's how you can do it. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap New Project and choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once you choose, tap on Add. Once the video is added to the timeline, tap on the clip to choose it. This will open the editing options at the bottom of the screen. With the video clip highlighted, tap on the speed option from the toolbar at the bottom. And here you'll see two options, normal and curve. Now go to normal. You'll see a slider allowing you to slow down or speed up the video. Drag the slider to the left, below, 1 times to slow down the video. For smooth, slow motion, 0.5x or 0.3x works well. Preview the effect by tapping the play button. Now tap on the check button. If you want more control over the speed changes, tap on curve instead of normal. The curve option lets you add slow motion to specific parts of the video while keeping other parts at normal speed. Choose one of the preset curves like montage or hero, or create your own by tapping custom, then tap on edit. Adjust the points on the curve to decide where the video slows down and speeds up. Now tap the play button to preview the slow motion effect. If needed, adjust the speed or transitions to ensure everything flows smoothly. Now tap on the check button once you're satisfied with the slow motion edit. Tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose the resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, and save the video to your device. By following these steps, you can easily edit and apply slow motion effects to your videos in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.